Welcome, beautiful soul, to this meditation. Today we're focusing on manifesting that melanin magic, the unique essence that flows within you, representing your history, resilience, beauty, and power. This meditation is a time to honor yourself, to connect to your roots, and to manifest the bold, brilliant life that you deserve. Settle into a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Close your eyes. Let your body relax and begin to connect with the rhythm of your breath. Each inhale brings you peace, and each exhale lets go of tension. With each breath, feel your body grow heavier, relaxing further with each exhale. Let yourself sink deeply into the surface beneath you. Visualize roots extending from the base of your spine, traveling down into the earth, grounding you, connecting you to the nurturing energy of the earth. Feel the warmth and strength of the ground holding you, supporting you. Feel the warmth and strength of the ground holding you, supporting you. Imagine these roots drawing up energy from the earth, a rich, vibrant energy that's as ancient and enduring as your lineage. With each breath, let this powerful grounding energy travel up through your roots and into your body. Now, shift your attention to your feet. Feel them relax. Let go of any tension. Slowly guide your focus upward through your legs, your hips, your torso, relaxing each part as you go. Notice your chest rise and fall with each breath, filling with strength and pride. Bring this relaxation up through your shoulders, arms, neck, and finally to the crown of your head. Your body is calm, powerful, and filled with peace. As you focus on your body, repeat silently, I am resilient. I am resilient. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am a reflection of my ancestors' strength and love. I am a reflection of my ancestors' strength. With each affirmation, feel these words deepen within, radiating through every cell, infusing you with confidence and self-love. Now, picture a warm, radiant light glowing at your heart center. The light represents your melanin magic, your unique essence, your strength, your beauty, and everything that makes you who you are. This light pulses with power, spreading warmth and love. Imagine this radiant light expanding, moving from your heart outward, filling your body with a deep sense of purpose and pride. This light goes brighter, representing the beauty of your skin, your culture, your heritage, and your identity. Let it grow and expand, filling the space around you until you are surrounded by this powerful, protective energy, your very own shield of melanin magic. Now, think about a goal, a dream, or a vision that you want to manifest. Hold this in your mind, seeing it clearly. Picture yourself having achieved this goal. Feel the joy, the pride, and the gratitude as if it's already yours. Affirm this silently or aloud. Say, I am worthy of success, happiness, and peace. I am worthy of success, happiness, and peace. I am attracting opportunities that honor my unique gifts. I am attracting opportunities that honor my unique gifts. I am manifesting the life I deserve. I am manifesting the life I deserve. Let these words settle into your being. Feel the power within you, knowing that your magic and resilience can bring your dreams to life. Trust that the universe is aligning with your vision. Take a moment to express gratitude for yourself, for your journey, for the magic within you. Feel gratitude for all those who came before you, whose strength lives within you, and for all the blessings that await. Allow yourself to bask in this feeling, knowing you are loved, supported, and divinely powerful. Begin to bring awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing sensation back to your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this warmth and power within you. You are radiant. You are resilient. You are magic. Go forth and let your melanin magic shine.